this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Assurance Hybrid wiper blade on a side lock wiper arm. For this installation, you will need to exchange the pre-installed HN-type base holder for the B-type base holder included in your packaging. Step 1. The HN-type holder is located in the center of the wiper blade, and it is about 3 inches long. Step 2. To remove the HN-type base holder, insert a screwdriver into the smallest hole of the adapter. Use the screwdriver as leverage and pull up forcefully. Step 3. Bring the B-type base holder up to the wiper blade. Line up the directional arrow on the holder to the arrow on the wiper blade. Wedge the tab from the holder into the slot of the wiper blade and snap it down completely. Step 4. Attach the C-type adapter to your wiper arm by aligning the prongs of the arm with the matching slots on the adapter. Use your thumb to keep the arm and adapter aligned. Then rotate the top half of the adapter towards you until it snaps into place. Step 5. Bring the wiper blade up to the wiper arm with the opening of the B-type holder facing upwards away from the windshield. Line up the large center groove on the B-type holder with the protrusions on the bottom of the adapter you just installed. Then squeeze together until you hear a loud snap. Step 6. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website www.goodyearwiperblade.com.